Hi, this is Joe with AJ Antunes, where we talk about the VCT-2 conveyor not turning, or the front conveyor turning backwards. All right, so here on the side here, you take out the screw on top, lift the panel up, and take it off. And you'll notice we have a derailed chain in the bottom here. What we'll need to do is we'll run the chain. Here's how you correct derail chain. As you can see, the chain is in the wrong position. What it's going to do is, as this is turning this direction clockwise, this is also going to turn clockwise, which will turn this conveyor up and out. So they try to put their buns in it, it kicks them back out. To correct this, remove the chain. Reposition over the top idler sprocket, back around the conveyor drive gear, back onto the lower drive sprocket, and let it catch the idler sprocket, or the tensioner sprocket, excuse me.